In this video, we are going to use a pillow library from Python to make an image blur. So first I'm going to import by using from pillow module, import image and image filter, and then I'm going to open an image and save it, image dot open, and pass in the name of my image file. It's located over here, car.jpg. And now I want to apply the Gaussian blur filter and get the blur image. So it's going to be blur, and then I'm going to use image dot filter and pass in image filter dot Gaussian blur. This will make our current image blur, and then I'm going to save this blur image by calling blur.save and name it. I'm going to save in the same path, and this is car, and I'll name it car, then blur.jpg, and then I'm going to show this image blur.show method, and just save it, and we can run our script. And after I execute my script, you can see the image is blurred. Now I'm going to close this application, this script, and then open the original image and the blur image so we can see the difference clearly. Now I have two tabs open. This is the original image, which is somewhat clear, and over here you can see the blur image. So this way you can blur the image in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.